Please share. Girl has been kidnapped, the minor girl.
After the judgments are pronounced, then you just mention the matter. Okay.
Yeah.
For judgment item 1.
The appeal has been dismissed.
For judgment item 2.
Matrimonial appeal is allowed, subject to payment of permanent alimony of rupees 15 lakhs within a period of 3 months from today.
Is mentioned.
My lords, I may be pardoned, my lords. Eviction matter, fresh matter.
First, just
My lords,
we'll take up the mention in the list first and then out of the list. Just wait 1 minute. Call them pages.
Page 1, item 3 to 5.
Item number
Page 2, item 7, 6.
Four.
Ah.
My lord, though I have solved a copy and also the English translation, everything, but there is a mistake that instead of I have written WA number, I have written wrongly WPC number. So it can be taken up day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow.
I have solved the copy. I have and English translation also given, but wrongly I have stated the
The request.
instead of WA, I have written WPC number.
Pandal and council opinion of the appellant, let the matter be listed on 4th of July, 4th July 2023. This court will not be available on
Sir,
day
sir.
after. Court will not be available on day after tomorrow. So 4th July it will come again.
Oblige, 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 sir.
my lord, item 5 and 6,
Yes.
these 5 matters. My lord, I have filed 5 IS for seeking amendments, my lord. That has not come. So may I pray, can it be taken up tomorrow along with that IA, my lord?
I has been filed
I have filed, I'm
tomorrow. Huh?
tomorrow. I am giving the numbers.
At the request of Mr. PC Chenchanill and council appearing for the petitioner, let the matter be listed tomorrow, along with the interlocutory application that has been filed by the petitioner for amendment.
Furnish the IA numbers.
All right, that we have directed. All the matters will be deferred now.
My lord?
Have you filed a interlocutory application in all the matters?
Yes, my lord.
Same
5
order in all
matters.
the order, just replicate.
5 and 6.
All right, same order. Say, 6 also you have filed an amendment petition.
Yes.
All right. Next call.
Item 7 to 17.
and item number 17, I may be pardoned, I am in the virtual mode, my lord.
Yes.
Item number 17, my lord, in this case, I have filed a counter on 26/5/2023. My prayer is, my lord, let this matter maybe come.
Item number 17, are you sure?
Yes, my lord, I am 17, I am for the respondent, my lord.
This is a writ appeal.
Yes, my lord. In the writ appeal, they have not given any document for which, my lord, I have to file the documents, my lord.
But
Here
then you have filed an application for accepting documents, not the counter affidavit. You cannot file counter affidavit in a writ appeal.
Yes, my lord, it is an appeal, but my lord, that your lordship may construe as my lord to accept my documents, my lord. I have only filed the documents.
You have to file the proper application. You have to file the proper application because the writ appeal, you cannot file the counter affidavit all on a sudden. If you want to introduce some new document, first seek leave of the court and then file.
Not the new document, my lord. These are the documents which has been, my lord, dealt with by this honorable court in another writ petition. That document I have filed, my lord.
So far, these writ appeal is concerned, these are new documents.
No new document, my lord, only the order they have annexed.
Oh, all right, we'll consider that. So we will take up the matter on 4th July again.
Yes, my lord.
Let the matter be listed on 4th July 2022 at the request of Ms. T. Mahapatrul and council appearing for the respondent. Okay.
Along with my lord petition which I have filed, my lord.
That will be obviously the part of the record. Don't worry, we'll take up.
Fine.
Page 3, item 18 to 25.
May it please also, my lords, item 10.
I pray for an adjournment, lords.
Item 10,
Yes, your lordship.
you have missed the opportunity. Just wait.
Okay.
Call this.
Next one.
Call item 22. Anyone is there in this slot to mention the matter?
My lords,
Just wait. This is over.
No, no. Page 3, item 18 to 25.
Go, move forward.
Page 4, 26 to 28.
My lord,
Page 5, 29 and
my lord,
30.
item 28, your lordship.
Yes, Mr.
My
Mishra.
lord, item 28, your lordship is a old matter, your lordship has already fixed it. I pray that it may kindly be taken up today,
Taken today.
my lord,
If it comes turn, you'll definitely take up. Just wait.
my lord, my lord, I pray that.
All right.
Item 29 and 30. Page 6, item 31, 32. Page 7, 33 to 36. Page
Pardon,
8.
Your lordship, item number 36.
Huh.
My lord had allowed for a listing of the said matter and kindly taken up regarding the services. One of the manager petitions are already
You
died.
cannot take up, I do not know, because we are sitting for the half of the session, because the second
My-
session, there is a fixed matter, is a division bench. Other
Just I
division-
pray,
All right, we'll look into the matter. Otherwise, we'll fix a date in a very next month, first week, that we'll take up the
highly
matter.
blessed.
All right. Today, I'm not now passing any order, you be there. If it is taken up, it's taken up, otherwise you just indicate, we'll
Okay.
fix a short date. Yes, next.
Page 8, 37 to 39. Page 9, 40 to 43. Page 10, 44 to 47.
Lordship, may I please, item number 44, an autistic child has been summoned by this court, your lordship. I pray, an autistic child has been summoned by the order of this court along with his father. So I pray, your lordship, that item may be taken up as the first item because the child is in court.
All right, we'll take up the matters. No, we'll take up the matter as the first item. Wait,
Other
You-
side, you're going from
you
other
just
side.
inform other side, we'll take up the matter as the first item. Just inform. Just wait that we take up the matter first.
Mr. Council, you are appearing for the,
Opposite party number one.
so Mr. Patnaik, you are there, please wait.
Just call. Okay. List is over. Yes, Mr. Item number
my
10.
lords, eviction matter, fresh matter, my lord.
What is your prayer in item number 10?
May
My
be
lord.
adjourned to Friday to 30th.
Friday, this court will not be available. We'll
There's
fix
any
it
other date.
The 5th of July,
Obliged, lords.
item number 10. You're Mr.
S. Jena, Saswat Jena. Saswat Jena, S. Jena.
At the request of Mr. Sashwat, General and Council, appearing for. You are appearing for the petitioner. 10. That the matter will list on 5th July 2023. Ms. Patnaik, you are there? Item 10,
Item 5.
10, item 10.
Item 10, my lord, yes. I have received the PWC, my lord.
Already it's fixing the matter on 5th of July.
Only counter may not be required because
Already you hear the matter 5th of
Yes,
July.
yeah,
Here's a difficult.
WPCRL, so it's all right.
so I have the office
He
circulars
wants
and the
You-
period of period of
he-
detention, period he has spent in custody. All those details are there with me. It can be disposed of on 5th.
All right. Ms. S. Patnaik, yes, Ms. Patnaik, S. Patnaik, London District Government Advocate appears for the state as agreed by the council on that day the matter will be taken for disposal on merit. Come prepared for the disposal,
On 5th, my lords.
5th of July.
Obliged.
Yes,
May I pray, my lord, the WPCRL case, my lord. The 12 years girl had been kidnapped by the opposite party.
tomorrow.
Your lordship's direction was issued, but till yet they are not rescued.
No, what is the next date in the case?
Next date, my lord, it could not reach.
So there is no date fixed.
Yes,
Definitely all that will check up.
Give
My
them.
lords,
PL matter for fresh admission.
Huh?
PL matter for fresh admission.
Give it to the
Okay,
DR.
give it to the list.
my lords, eviction matter, fresh
Eviction.
matter. My lords, learned single judge has passed the
Yes,
eviction order. Though we have been made parties without noticing the encroachers, eviction order has been passed. And even against a dead person. My lords, eviction has been fixed to 29.
Is this our
Really?
assignment, eviction?
No, it's a
Writ appeal.
It is
A writ appeal,
appeal. Just take up tomorrow, huh? Give it tomorrow.
May I please, Your Honor? Criminal appeal tied up. Criminal appeal tied up.
You just draw the microphone closer to it. It is some
Hello? Criminal appeal tie up matter.
criminal appeal for which purpose?
Not that.
I have filed an application for
Forty-four pages, 94 and 28 pages counter just now in the court. My lord, his auntie and two auntie and grandfather is coming. Oh, yeah. Can it be taken up in chamber?
Okay.
Lordship, because this is a case which has been filed by the in-laws against the custody of the natural guardian as per section 6 of the Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act, my lord. The only allegations which they have in their petition is twofold, your lordship, that I have deserted the child, and second is I'm not looking after the welfare of the child, your lordship. Your lordship, he was supposed to go for a stem cell therapy treatment at Mumbai. I filed the documents also. Only because of your lordship's order to summon him in court today, they could not take those treatments, my lord. All those documents were much before your lordship.
Just Land Council got it. You have filed already the counter affidavit. So this matter is ready for the disposal now. We have fixed a date in the next month, first week.
Your lordship may fix up a date. I would not oppose may dispense of with the appearance of the child and the father.
No. We have seen the child. There's
Because he's her aunties and grandfather. They all of them will be present. Your lordship will.
So are they present today, please? He's present. Ask them to interact with him if they want.
Let it come in chamber. He will attend.
Chamber here.
May it please, my lord.
Yes.
I have challenged the order passed by the Honorable Single Bench. Your lordship.
Yes, come to the order. Which part, by
My
which
lord,
part you are agreed? Just show us.
Your lordship can have it come to. Paragraph 5, 6, and 7.
Why is the impugned
I'm
order?
running page 25.
What is the impugned order?
There, my lord, the observations has been made pertaining to the submission made by the appellant and my lord, 3 issues were framed. One, the submission made by the.
No, you come to page 19. I'm little confused. Come to page 19 of your paper bag.
19, yes. Yes, my lord. This is relating to, my lord, WBC 103-10-2014.
That is not your writ petition. That is not your writ petition.
My writ petition is 103-10-2014.
At what page? Order is at what page? One zero.
My lord, the writ petition which I preferred is 103-10-2014. 3 writ petitions were there before.
Okay.
I am challenging the order that was passed in reference to WBC number 10.
Please first give me your writ petition number. What is your writ petition number?
103-10-2014.
10.
Yes, ma'am.
The first writ petition in the batch.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you are aggrieved by the paragraphs 6 and 7.
I am agreed by the order, my lord, that has been observed that this is a continuous governing body for more than 2 terms. That is I am opposing. Your lordship can have a look to. As per the provisions of the Orissa Education Act, Section 7C of the Orissa Education Act prescribes. Your lordship will get it at page 146. It starts, my lord.
So you are basically aggrieved by the appointment of the administrator.
My lord, I am only before my lord. The Honorable Single Judge has said that since the governing body has consecutively continued for 2 terms, thereby the members, those who are continuing for more than 2 terms, are ineligible to be taken in the reconstituted governing body. That is, my lord, my submission is, it is not a continuity of governing body. Your lordship will appreciate it.
Whether there is any bar in any rules that this person twice was the part of the governing body cannot be reconstituted.
Yes, my lord, that's a bar.
So what is there?
That I am pressing it, my lord. Your lordship will kindly. Can I draw my attention to the Management Rule 1991? That is the bar, and your lordship will get it at page.
Give the education manual.
It starts from running page 636, and the relevant provision is at page 648.
Yes. Which part you are reading?
My lord, your lordship will kindly get it at page 648.
Yes. Which provision you are referring?
My lords, I am placing the provision that
who is appearing for the respondent? Someone is appearing.
I'm sorry.
Nayak, you are appearing.
I'll just. Rule 25 starts the Constitutional Managing Committee, starts 645.
Oh.
There, my lord, the procedure for reconstitution is at page, at running page 20, Rule 27, at running page 647.
Yes.
There, my lord.
Yes. So this proviso to this Rule 27 clearly bars.
Yes, my lord.
The more than 2 terms consecutively. Yes, Mr. Mahabatra. It's a clear bar. What is your case? It is a clear bar.
My lords can take it some other day.
All right, what we do, we fix the matter in some other day, you come prepared. Oh, Mr. Ratho, sorry. We have heard Mr. Ratho and his senior counsel appearing for the appellant for some time. Let the matter be listed on 7th of July, is all right?
No.
7th of July. Okay. So since Mr. D. Naik, learned counsel appears for
1 and 2, my lords.
opposite parties number 1 and 2, the principal opposite parties, we would request him to prepare the case so that the matter can be decided on the next
My
date
lord.
on merit. Next date, we'll decide the case on merit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Item 7.
Yes.
Villagers have filed this public interest litigation. It's a government project, development of a construction of a road. Of course, my lord, it's a beneficial legislation for the benefit of the people. Still, then, my lord, we the people are challenging such inaction of the government authorities in saying that no way this construction of road will give benefit to the general.
Who are you to decide that?
My lord.
First of all, who are you to decide this?
My lord, we are
That your
the
elected
villagers, my
government
lord.
is there.
My lord, yes. My lord, we are the villagers. If your lords will come to the fact, my lord, I will.
Your individual interest may be affected, that we understand, but who are you to decide what is the best for the people or not?
My lord, we are all the villagers have filed this my lord, writ petition, my lord.
So all
The nature of
all the villagers is decide that we will not obey the government order, that will has to be sustained such kind of action.
And all the villagers means all the occupants of the village, or all of you are
Yes.
villagers?
My lord, these people, my lord, they have been represented by
Okay.
general public, my lord. In a village meeting, my lord, meeting was convened in the village, and all the villagers represented the present petitioners. That is
Anyway,
why
they
they have
can't
filed.
decide.
Mr. Mudoli, that you are appearing for the state in this matter. You look into the grievance of the people, we are not passing any effective order. You file the representation to the government,
My lord, we have filed, my lord.
then what is the response of the government?
Well, no response, my lord.
That is why asking you, government will respond to that representation. Because you cannot question the government policy in such a manner.
My lord, we are not questioning the government policy, but the way they are, my lord, doing all
So
those
you
things, my lord,
just
that is why we are being affected.
ventilate your grievance to the government will respond, we are passing the direction.
My lord, they should have. My lord, they did not do that.
They
is-
have not. Now we are giving another opportunity with the time frame so that within such time the government make the response. We are giving them the 30 days time to give the reply
Page
to it. What is
23
the representation?
Second, your lordship, page 23.
23.
Yes. This representation was submitted to the road executing authority, that is junior executive engineer, on
What will he do?
2/6.
Oh, that you have to file a fresh representation. They
Well,
are not the
On
authority.
2/6/2023, thereafter immediately there is no receipt whether it has been submitted or not. On 12/6, the writ petition has been filed.
My lord, urgency is there, my lord. That is why instantly, my lord, writ application is filed because they are not
It's a
taking any
vote
action.
for access of
And my
villagers.
lord, this
Who
is
is the
to
competent authority
approach
according
the
to you,
proper
Mr.
authority.
Madhuri?
collector, my lord,
This is the
collector.
executing agency. It
No,
is a
no.
road. It is a road being constructed by the.
No, who has taken the decision for construction of the
Yes.
road?
There is no such pleading who has taken, but he has represented to the.
I
opposite
think
party.
I will ask the petitioners to file the representative secretary to the Department of Revenue. And is the-
Revenue is not constructing any road.
But construction is the execution. But who has taken the decision that the road be constructed?
It will be taken by the rural development department.
Or rural
It's a village
development,
area.
not the revenue department, rural development department. Where is your representation?
My lord, page 26.
No English translation.
My lord,
No English translation.
I could not follow.
No English translation of your representation. So you want, I should not read.
Madam,
Okay.
yes, sorry, sorry. madam.
Yes, you read the representation. This is not done. The
Madam,
court
sorry.
language is English. You
Madam,
must
yeah.
supply the
Madam, I'm
translation.
really sorry. I should not.
Page 26.
What is the defect? Two copy of representations. Which one? Yeah, more than one.
26, he is referring to page 26.
निवेदन अभिप्राय है कि जे हमें ग्रामवासी गुआड़िया समथिंग शांतिधाम थाना एतिके आपनको बचत आणुछु जे मौजा गुआड़िया खाता नंबर सोएंसो एतिके डेसिमल मौजा एतिके और तार पड़ा ग्राम पोड़ा पदर को लागी रहिछि एही जागा उपरे आंभ मौजार ओ अन्य पड़ोसी मौजा यथा मूला बसंत करमଳାର ବର୍ଷା ଜଳ ଓ ବନ୍ୟା ଜଳ ନିଷ୍କାସିତ ହେଉଛି. They said on this ground the rain water, another water passes from there. किंतु उक्त जागा को गुआड़िया ग्रामर PWD जलपट शंख देई लुणा नदी को बन्या और वर्षा जल निष्कासित होउछि. उक्त जागा उपरे जोड़ा पदर ग्रामवासी माने एक पक्का रास्ता तैयारी करू अछंती. कौनसी विभागीय अनुमति ननै सेमाने बेआईनी भावे जोर जबरदस्त एई पक्का रास्ता निर्माण करूछंती. एई रास्ता निर्माण. This is page 26.
Yes, 26 one.
But this is a private dispute. Villagers, villagers, you are saying that some villagers are constructing a road on that.
No, my lord, not some villagers.
You see. That is your thing. किंतु
My
उक्त
lord-
जागा को गुआड़िया ग्रामर PWD something
lord,
something देई लुणी
let-
नदी
let
को
me
बन्या और प्लीज वेट वर्षा जल निष्कासित होउछि. उक्त जागा उपरे पोड़ा पदर ग्रामवासी माने एक पक्का रास्ता तैयारी करू अछंती. कौनसी विभागीय अनुमति ननै सेमाने बेआईनी भावे जोर जबरदस्त एई पक्का रास्ता निर्माण करू अछंती. एही रास्ता निर्माण हेबा द्वारा लुणा नदीर संयोग हेउथिबा जलभट शंख देई बन्या जल और वर्षा जल निष्कासन रास्ता संपूर्ण रूपे बंद होई जिवो. जहा फलरे आम ग्रामर और आम अंचलर 3 गोटी मौजा बन्या और वर्षा जलर संपूर्ण रूपे जल मग्न होई धन जीवन क्षति होई जिवो.
My lord, of course.
You saying
this is
without
correct.
permission they are
My lord,
constructing the
let
road.
me clarify.
So you file it
My
is a
lord,
case
initially-
even not to the, because there is no approved, no document that this road has been approved by
They are
some
saying-
government
they are saying
department.
it has not been approved. It is their
All right,
case.
so you just file a representation before the collector of the district, you will inquire into the matter and pass the necessary order. All right, you are Mr. Mahapatra. You are Mr. Mahapatra.
My lord, SK Samantara.
Heard Mr. SK Samantara, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner, collector is the more powerful authority. Yeah. A few villages,
गुआड़िया ग्रामवासी गुआड़िया villages of गुआड़िया.
Villages of Guaria village has expressed the serious apprehension that for construction of the unapproved route by some villages, a part, the villagers who is residing in a part of the village will be adversely affected during the rainy season. And for construction of the road, natural flow of the water will be stopped. By means of a writ petition, this kind of a dispute cannot be adjudicated. But we find that the petitioner has filed two representations, annexure 2 series, two different authorities. Stop. We would direct the petitioners to file a fresh representation to the collector, collector cum district magistrate Puri within a period of 7 days from today. If such representation is filed, the collector shall dispose of the petition, the said representation on due inquiry within 3 weeks from the date of
Some
receipt.
more time, this car festival is going on, some more time.
All right, 4 weeks. 4 weeks from the date of receipt of the representation. In terms of the above, this writ petition is disposed of. Mr. P. Mudoli, additional government advocate, has appeared for the opposite parties number 1, 2, 3, 4, all the opposite parties. Already, copy of the order be supplied to Mr. P. Mudoli, counsel, additional government advocate, free of cost. All right.
My lord, till then, my lord, no construction, otherwise we will be prejudiced.
So you go find 7 days, nothing would happen. It is an unapproved route, how do you expect?
Mr. Mudali, you are saying he has given representation only to the engineer. Tahsildar representation is at page 26. And he has said, ask the RI to inquire.
To call the
Page
just
26,
just
top.
within file your representation, then the administration will
My
start
lord, we
moving.
humbly pray, my lord.
Item 8.
My lord, till then, my lord, otherwise in the event they
No,
will
no,
be
no, we
constructed, your
cannot
lords
pass,
may
we
kindly
cannot pass
visualize.
this order.
This
without
is rainy
inquiry.
season, my lord.
We have no such power to pass this. We do not know anything. You have not given any details who are constructing the road. We do not know. You have only made one party as the opposite
My
party,
lord,
the
if your
private
lords will
party.
come to my lord, page 28, this is a government project. It has been mentioned
These are the
here.
list of the government project. Nowhere you
absolutely.
have word. This is a part of the government. On the contrary, in your representative, we find they are constructing the road unauthorizedly.
My lord, why we are being prejudiced, my lord? We do not say, my
If
lord.
you
no,
find,
should
and
not be
if you
constructed.
if you find any danger that they are constructing, come then file the representation first to the collector.
My lord.
You have come for a certiorari or a mandamus without placing your demand to the appropriate authority. Tahsildar cannot take any decision. You go to the collector.
Item 8.
Yes.
8.
Yes, my lord.
The father of the one Sangram Sambal.
Yes, Mr. Tripathi.
This writ appeal has been directed against the judgment passed by one single judge in WCC number.
What about the defects? You have removed the defects.
Defects removed, madam.
Are you sure?
And,
Yes. Notice there now. Okay.
but it was not corrected by the office.
There is no delay. Why? There is a reflection. Already you argue on admission.
Petition was filed, but it was noticed.
So we are disposing this your interlocutory application for the condonation of delay. Because as per the stamp report, there is no delay.
Madam, my application there, lots may dispose of. My lord may dispose of the.
All right. Yes. As it has been pointed out by the stamp reporter, there is no delay. This petition is IA 598 of 2021, 2023 stands disposed of as inconsequential. So, yes.
And here, my lord,
Where is the impugned order?
impugned order, my lord. That is annexed to the writ appeal, my lord.
The 6/11/2021.
Order dated 6/11/2020.
Ah, right.
No. Here, my lord, in the writ application, my lord, the order dated 20th January 2016 by the annexure 12 was under challenge. That is the order of the additional commissioner who disallowed the revision petition prepared on 15(1) and 6D, my lord, for correction of the village map, vis-a-vis correction of the record of right, so far the area is concerned. Now, Lord, I draw your lordship's attention to the record of right, to the sale deed purchased
The
by the
petition has been disposed of for the leches only.
That's one.
All right. Mr. Naik, are you appearing? We are admitting the petition because this is regarding a land record.
My lord.
And he was filing the revision. The cause of action always lies unless it's corrected.
My lord.
So leches in such cases should not be the ground for throwing
It's
out.
21 years.
No, that just the revision petition was disposed on to 2016 and the writ petition is filed in 20 years. There is of course 6 years.
My lord, not that. My lord, the objection, the main, if I come to the main merits of this matter, the proceedings that were challenged before the authority were after 21 years of publication of the records. That's the ground that has been taken.
There is
by
a
the
bar
legislature.
institute.
But there is no explanation offered also.
Is it required when there is no bar for the limitation? The petitioners are bound to give the explanation.
The settled position that also that we are talking of here is not the settled position of law, but the settled position of facts, the
Are you in
status
a
of
position
parties.
to argue the matter today?
No.
Huh?
No, my lord.
Otherwise, I
Any,
think if there is any discrepancy in the land record
my lord.
and the revision petition formally was filed, they ought to have filed as early as possible. It is true, I agree.
My lord.
But in a writ petition for this ground, I think in this ground, this should not be disposed of in this fashion.
My lord, remanding back the matter. My lord, remanding back the matter for press adjudication.
Let us hear if they can, he can make out a case for remand because it is completely meritless, we will not definitely remand.
My lord.
So we fix the matter on 29th of July.
My lord.
Saturday.
Huh?
Holiday. Saturday.
Saturday, then 28th of July. We are admitting today, we will hear the matter. Everything will be open for raising objection.
My lord.
Heard Mr. B. Tripathi, Learned Counsel, appearing for the appellant. By means of this appeal, the order dated 6/11/2021, delivered in WPC number 31309 of 2021, has been challenged. Admit. Call for the records of WPC number 31309 of 2021. Stop. Since Mr. D. Naik, Learned Counsel, appears and waives notice for the opposite parties, no formal notice is called for. Mr. Tripathi is requested to supply one additional copy of the memorandum of writ appeal to Mr. Naik in the course of the day. Let the matter be listed on 28 July 2022, when the matter will be heard on merit. We make it abundantly clear that the objection related to the maintainability will be open to the respondents.
Recording repetition, maybe.
We have already asked for the repetition record because we have not annexed the
I'll
repetition.
solve a copy.
You just one copy of the memorandum of appeal. Next.
16.
16, may I please your lordship?
My lord, the appellant has preferred an appeal against order dated 13/10/2022, but my lord, there is a delay, my lord. I filed a delay of around 1 month. My lord.
How many days delay?
My lord, the order passed is 13/10/2020.
D. Mahapatra, Learned Counsel. D. Mahapatra. Learned Counsel. Appear for the applicant. There is in the interlocutory application number 3977 of 2022. Right? There is an application for considering the delay of 30 days in preparing the appeal against the order dated 13/10/2022, delivered in WPC within First Brigade OA, number 1187 of 2011 by the learned single judge. Stop issue notice. I think 30 days delay can be condoned. Okay, just just scroll out this issue notice for delay. The delay sought to be condoned is 30 days. Mr. D. Naik, learned additional government advocate, appearing for the opposite parties, have submitted that the opposite parties will not oppose the prayer for condonation. We have also perused the causes assigned for the delay. So we find the appellant has made out a case for condoning this aforesaid delay. Accordingly, the delay stands condoned. The result, this application stands allowed and disposed of. Go to the appeal now. Why the appeal should be admitted?
My lord, the present appellant has preferred this appeal challenging the order passed by the single judge in Annexure 4, my lord. My lord, with regard to pensionary benefit for the present appellant, my lord. My lord, it is averred by the opposite party that the present appellant had voluntarily deserted her service for more than 20 years, my lord. My lord, to that effect, my lord, your lordship, I have served for more than 10 years, my lord. My lord, and in the meantime,
In the meantime, no order was passed by the state.
My lord,
about your service. No order has been passed.
Order, I do not seem to have a copy of the petition itself.
All right, we'll take up the matter for admission on 6th. All right. Let the matter be listed, the main appeal. Listed for admission on 6th April. In the meanwhile, Mr. D.D. Mohapatra and counsel appearing to the appellant shall supply a copy of the memorandum of appeal with its enclosures to Mr. D. Naik, the additional government advocate appearing to the opposite parties.
my lord, fixed it to
6th of July.
grateful, my lord. Great. 18.
Yes.
I'm already filing the condonation of delay limitation petition. Very number 3601/23.
You have already filed.
Already filed.
Other defects.
Also, there are some other defects. We are listing it of 6th of July.
Today I am filing.
No, you file it. We are listing on 6th of July. Again,
6th of July.
let the matter be listed on 6th of July at the request. You are Mr. Kanungo.
BP Oja.
You are Mr.
BP Oja.
At the request of Mr. BP Oja, and counsel appearing for the appellant. Mr. Naik, you are appearing?
Please remove the defects in the meanwhile.
Mr. D. Naik, the National Government Advocate, has appeared for the opposite parties on advance notice. Yes.
Item 19.
This writ appeal, there is a delay of 17 days in filing this appeal. This is a state appeal, my lord.
You are appearing, Mr.
I am happy to the respondent. I think delay has been condoned.
Do you have any objection regarding the 17 days delay?
But sir, delay has been condoned probably. Kindly see. And thereafter, there is an interim order.
I think delay has been condoned.
On my request, which are taken up for a hearing, because this person is suffering since 1991.
No, delay has not been condoned, but order of stay has been granted. I think you will not oppose the short delay.
No, sir, I thought, sir, delay has been condoned. Otherwise, it could not have been taken up for an interim order. I mean, under the impression, probably it has been condoned.
Anyways.
19 days, sir, I am not opposing.
You will not oppose. That is
I don't oppose 19.
And stamp reporter says 18 days. Still not address.
I 246 of 2023. Heard Mr. D. Naik, from National Government Advocate, appearing for the applicant is an application for condoning the delay of 18 days in preparing the appeal against the order What is the order?
Order minutes, that order dated.
Mr. Naik, are you appearing for the appellant?
I am appearing for the appellant.
Tell me that what's the order date? Where is the order? This is 7/12.
Order page 14 minutes that dated 7/12/2022.
7/12/2022. This is the order.
Order minutes, taking me into the minutes, work charge establishment.
All right.
That will be listed for admission.
All right. Order dated 7/12/2022. Delivered in WPC within first bracket OSC number 1033 of 2019. Stop. It has been stated in the application that the delay has been caused due to the official procedure, but such delay is not at all intentional. However, Mr. Dayananda Mahapatra, Learned Counsel, appearing for the writ petitioner respondents, is clearly submitted that the opposite party, has just appearing for the opposite party, that the opposite party will not oppose such delay.
May minutes may not be recorded that my contact.
All right, so Mr. Dayananda Mahapatra, the Mahapatra Learned Counsel, is appeared for the opposite party. Stop. Having regard to the nature of the delay and the absence of any objection from the opposite party, we condone the said delay. In the result, this application stands allowed and disposed of. We admit, because this order has been stayed,
Order have been stayed, my
we admit and fix a date for hearing, early date for.
minutes in such because of the stay order. Also, I pray because I'm suffering since
That is
1991.
why I'm telling you, we are fixing an early date of hearing. That would be the best way. Otherwise,
All right, my lord. That rightly, my lord, appoint. My lord, fix a shorter date, my lord.
that is what we are planning. Which can be the shorter date?
Because
No,
the
not this first week. Go to the second, third week. Third week.
18th.
18th of July.
18th of July. Okay.
Heard Mr. D. Naik in the main appeal. Learned Counsel appearing for the appellant. Stop. Admit. Call for the records of
Yeah, there. Lovely.
WPC OSC number 1033 of 2019.
It's there.
Issue notice since Mr. D. Mahapatra Learned Counsel has appeared for the
sole respondent.
Sole respondents, no formal notice is called for. Have you got the copy of the memorandum of
Yes,
appeal? Already. Having regard to the nature of the challenge, we thought that this appeal requires early disposal. Let the matter be listed on 18th of July 2023 for disposal on merit. No accommodation on that to be made.
Item 20.
In item 20, notice has been issued on 3rd May. But due to late filing of requisites could not be resolved, it may be accepted, my lord.
All right. You have filed the requisite.
In late, for which that notice could not be issued, my lord. That is a noting.
For delayed filing of the requisites, registry could not issue the notice to the respondents. Registry directed to issue the notice to the respondent. Notice it is made returnable on 28th of July 2023. Just to reflect the name of the counsel for the appellant. Yeah. It is the counsel appearing. Amar Kuntia. All right. It will come on 28th of July.
Well, may I come out of common judgment, another matter is 39. Out of that common judgment, another matter is at 39, same problem.
What is the item number?
39, my lord.
Just fix your microphone in proper position.
39.
Yes, you have also filed the requisites there?
That is also in late.
Same order. 39.
Interim order is there. Interim order is there.
In that case also interim order.
In
that
this
would-
case.
39, 39. Yes,
Interim orders are there.
yes, ma'am.
Both the cases.
In both the cases, notice has been issued, interim order is there.
Interim order, if any, as passed earlier, shall continue. All right, you just check up with the interim order. All right, 39. 39, there are more than one matter, the two matters are there.
Yes, ma'am. In both,
Both the
this is
matters
out of
separate
common
order.
judgment.
21.
Pilot 21, I am for the appellant. I am from BC cabin, Bhubaneswar, High Court cabin.
Yes, we are audible. Yes.
My lord, this is a case for delay of 2 months. Writ appeal is delayed about 2 months, 15 days. Petitioner is an old man and is an old man having landless person, illiterate and landless person. My lord, in this case,
39. Mr. Khuntia, please look at item 39. Why do you say requisites have been filed late?
Let me say,
Yes, we are seeing.
they refused. Such a BO.
There are two matters, and one you have filed late, the other you have filed, it has returned.
No, in that case, your lordship may say that he refused to address it.
So exactly. So why are you making a wrong, incorrect
No,
submission?
sorry,
An
sorry,
invalid
madam.
order will be passed.
Sorry, madam. That he refused to.
You're not looking at the cause list also.
Sir,
Forget the file.
Mr. Mohanty, just you wait for a while. Just wait for a while. Yes,
Well.
we are coming back to you.
Madam.
The second matter is all right. Order will be the same, but for the first matter,
Already in second matter, in item 39, in second matter.
Second matter is over, first one.
second matter is like the first one.
Yes, yes.
But it is, it says there is a delivery is completed in this other matter.
But in postal record showing that the item delivered. But in that first report, you lordship may say that in that
What is item 38? We have given a wrong list.
at the first there is a report, my lord. Address is left to without any instruction, address is continued to absent. Such that cannot be
That is
located,
why-
no such that is at Sitapur.
How many respondents? First look,
In
you have to take notice on R2 to R11. On R2, postal tracking report says it has been delivered. R3 to 11, I think it has been returned undelivered.
yes. In item 39,
Unnecessarily for this 10 minutes will go when the court is to rise at 1 p.m.
7,
Mr. No,
11 respondents are there.
it appears from the registry's note that notice could be served on the respondent number 2. But notice could not be served on the respondents number R3 to R11. Appellant is directed to take appropriate steps for complete the service on those respondents. So such steps shall be taken within 7 days from today.
Well,
It's already whatever steps is because they will take. 7 days from today. What is the earlier date? The earlier case date?
28.
Notice is made returnable. If fresh steps is taken, notice shall be made returnable on 28th July 2023. Because 3 to this is a serious problem. In some cases, he says refused. Who has refused? There is no description. So better you take a fresh step for all, and when the
I'll take fresh step
address
for
is
all.
not known, file the fresh address and file it.
Yes, my lord, for all, my lord.
3 to others.
3 to 11.
All right.
21.
And in
Yes,
second case, my
yes,
lord,
Mr. Mahantu.
yes.
My lord, item 21.
Yes.
21, writ of appeal delayed about 45 days, my lord. Petitioner is an old senior citizen, and due to old age, he could not collect the certified copy in time. The order passed by the London single judge on 15th July 2022, and
Yes.
file for certified copy, applied for certified copy on 29 December
You are appealing.
2022.
Private parties there, let us.
May I be permitted to speak? Lordship may see for filing the writ appeal, there is a delay of 45 days. But if your lordship will go to the impugned order passed by the honorable single judge, which is available at
21
Annex 2,
days.
the writ petition was filed after 22 years. And
Yes.
that is the sole ground of rejecting the writ petition which is impugned before your lordship. So the writ petition was filed challenging the order of the consultation commissioner after 22 years. That is why the honorable single judge declined to interfere after 22 years. And my responsible submission is that there is no illegality in the impugned order, so writ appeal may not be entertained.
So you are opposing it.
Yes, I am.
File an objection.
Objection.
To the petition for condonation of delay.
That is 45 days for filing of the writ appeal. That is
So
not.
you have no objection for this condonation of
No,
delay in filing the writ
that
appeal?
But
You have an
so far as the
objection against
merit
the
of the appeal is concerned,
That is as regards merits of the writ
yes,
appeal.
ma'am, 45 days is there for filing of certified copy. They have to obtain the certified copy. He has
Alright, you
narrated.
condone that delay on appeal, admissibility of the appeal, you make your submission.
Yes, madam. Okay. Your lordship may fix a date for hearing on the admissibility of the appeal.
Mr. Mohanty, we are condoning your delay, but
My lord.
you are condoning your delay, but we are fixing a date for admission because there is a serious objection against the admission of the appeal.
My lord, I will make out my case.
All right, you try to do this first. Let us. In IA 1604 of 2023, there is an application for condoning the delay in filing the appeal against the You have not challenged the order because there is no prayer for setting aside that order, impugned order. Just read, come to your prayer.
Prayer, my Lordship may be pleased to admit the writ appeal, call for the record WPC and I, after hearing, set aside the order by annexure 2.
Oh, annexure 2. But description of order is not there.
My lord, page 24. My lord, page 24.
So
Last page.
The order dated 15/7/2022, delivered in WPC number 16857 of 2022. Stop. Mr. D.K. Mohanty, learned additional government advocate appearing for the opposite parties, has submitted that they will not oppose the prayer for condonation, but the appeal is absolutely meritless. So in view of that, we condone the delay as above stated. So in the result, this application stands allowed. In view of the order passed today in I number such and such, but this appeal will be listed for admission on 18th of July, it will come for admission.
Yes, ma'am.
18th of July, 2023. So, next.
22.
Yes, Mr.
May I
Panikiri.
please, Your Lordship? But there are 2 days delay in filing the writ of appeal. The last date of limitation was falling on a Saturday. It was filed on Monday because the Saturday was the registry of the Honorable Court was open. The officers.
Mr. Boral, are you appearing for the respondent?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So it's a delay you are condoning. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What are the other defects, Mr. Panigrai? 4A, 5D?
Well, all the defects I have removed. The defects are authentication fee on the certified copy of the impugned order was not filed. I have filed that. And the other defect will not.
That means that noting of the registry is incorrect, or you have filed after the noting has been given.
Yes, in fact, on Friday I have filed it. Therefore, the office has not. And the only defect left
Take
out
the
is
order
the
I
copy.
number 3397 of 2023. Is an petition under section 5 of the Limitation Act for condoning the delay of. What is the delay? Is it 42 days or 2 days?
2 days, Miller.
2 days.
2 days.
In preferring the appeal. Against the order dated 28/2/2023, passed in WPC number 7370 of 2020. Mr. S.K. Boral. And
You're for respondent number?
you are for both the respondents 2 and 3, Mr. Boral?
Yes, sir.
Mr. S.K. Boral and
Actually,
council
it's
appears
the
to be opposite
caveat.
person, 2 and 3. And Mr. Naik, you are there, or Ms. Patnaik, or Mr. Kuntia? Who is there?
Well, so far as copy to the state, I am serving the copy of the appeal memo and also all the petitions to the state.
Who is appearing in this matter for opposite party number 1 is the Revenue Divisional Commissioner. Not assigned?
Well, in fact, the defect was that copy was not solved.
Copy has
I am
not
solving
been
the
sent.
copy.
So let him solve
All
the
right, that
copy.
is,
Yes,
yeah,
I am
he is
serving.
but accept notice, some one of
Yes,
you.
yes, we can accept.
You will be accepting notice,
Yes.
Mr. D.K. Mohanty, additional government advocate. Appears for the opposite party number 1. So, notice is served to the council for the respondents, and hence no formal notice is called for. So, when council for the respondents has submitted that they will not oppose the prayer for condonation. So considering the very short delay, we condone the delay as aforementioned. The result, this application stands allowed and disposed of. Now, appeal today, are you ready for admission?
But today I have sought the copy on this date, therefore you'll receive, take up the matter any other date, tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
7th July. In the appeal, list the matter for admission on 7th July 2023.
In the meantime, if any objection is to the step itself, to be filed by the opposite party.
No, we are not looking
Yes,
at to the state. All right. Oh, there is, we have condoned the date.
Yes. That's nothing that.
All right.
7th.
We've done 7th July for admission.
Obliged.
23.
May I please, Your Lordship? Here, my lord, I have filed download online copy, my lord. I have filed also application to dispense with the.
No, unless you file the copy, any copy, you have not filed the certified copy, no stamp reporting has been done. Why can't you file the certified copy? What is your problem?
No, I have applied, my lord.
All right, we are fixing the matter again on, let the matter be listed on 17th July 2023. In the meanwhile, appellant shall remove the defects as identified by the registry.
Can I please, my lord? Hello, I have filed an application to dispense with the filing of certified copy.
Oh, you just 17th July, before that you will get the certified copy.
I'll try.
All right.
24.
I just record the name of the counsel, Mr. Dipti Ranjan Swain, counsel is declared for the appellant. Yes.
Filed the IA number 3392 up to 93 for amendment of the appeal.
There is a delay in filing the appeal. You have not filed the application for condemnation.
I may be permitted to file another IA for.
All right, the request of.
Remove all the defects.
You are Mr. Boy.
Yeah, Mr. Bhoi.
No, my K.C. Shaw.
At the request of Mr. K.C. Shaul and counsel appearing to the appellant, let the matter be listed on 19th of July 2023. So the defects is identified by the registry shall be removed by the next date.
Admittedly, he has filed a suit before the civil court. Admittedly, he has filed the suit again in the civil court. Instead of approaching the civil court under Order 39 Rule 1 and 2 injunction, he has come forward to directly file the writ petition.
That is on merit.
That is on merit, but this is the case only.
All right.
He should approach the right forum.
All right. Order has been passed. You are appearing there, Mr. Mohanty.
Yes, madam. I am appearing.
Mr. D.K. Mohanty, Lawyer Counsel, appears for the state, the opposite parties. Here for all?
No, only on state perhaps. I'm just, your lordship may kindly give me one.
You can only for one notified area council.
Only one. He should take notice.
Stuff on advance notice. Okay.
You have a copy?
Long limitation is there.
Do you have a copy?
Yes.
It will come on 19th July. By this time, you remove all these things. File an application for condonation of delay. Got my point? By file the application for condoning the delay, there is a delay. You have not filed any application. Otherwise, on the next date, on the ground of limitation, you will dismiss your appeal.
My lord, amendment.
What amendment
Whatever you file by that day, but unless that limitation application is there, it will be dismissed on that ground. You also remove the other defects, please. All right.
29 वाला on paper में 10 में पास हो गए.
Okay, possible. Possible by 1. 2, this bench is not sitting. Council. Or we can accommodate you on some other day. Can the council appear before 1? Because we are already left with 10-15 minutes. All right, let the matter be listed on 6th of July 2023, as there is no representation from the appellant when the matter is taken up.